In every company using AI for recruiting, what will be the actual role of HR? Will AI replace HRs completely, or will we still have a chance to?
Any automation tool will be a supporting tool for the real-time people only. HR is the only area where no automation can be taking place, because for recruiting, you have to judge the personal characteristics. In which way you have to call, understand the people, how he will fit into the culture, all that you have to assess manually and then process it. But this automation tools can help you in preparing your dashboards, pipeline for the month, how many people have recruited. That kind of analytics support the automation can help. Your personal characteristics, communication with the other departments is highly required for an organization. Without communication with finance or marketing, how will you recruit people for them? Okay, so inter-communication between the units and hiring internally, processing them, working on their salary, mediclaim, insurance, and the highly major aspect is employee engagement in an organization. Where you have to engage people. Okay, for that you will have to interact with people, make them happy. People management and a live kind of a role where it has to be there very proactive and physically. No AI can degrade the role of HR. Any automation tools can only do the automation of the entire process oriented things, but the human intervention cannot be modified.